the Bumble Nums. Today, the Bumble Nums are going to make Hidden Hazelnut Spread. But what's the secret ingredient? 100 hidden hazelnuts. That's a lot of hazelnuts. The Bumble Nums are planning a heist, but in order to find the hidden hazelnuts, they need to find a way inside. Any ideas, Grumble?
Yum, yum.
How about you, Stumble?
Yum.
And you, Humble?
Yum, yum.
Great idea, Humble. Grumble, looks like you're going undercover.
Yum! Hum, hum.
Looking good, Grumble. With this disguise, you should be able to get past the guards.
Hum, hum.
Yum.
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 Yum!
Yum, yum. Hum. Yum, yum, yum.
Yum! Very sneaky, Bumble Nums. Now to find those hidden hazelnuts. The vault is just behind that door, but you don't have the code to get in.
Yum.
Maybe Humble and Stumble can sneak in through the air vent.
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum.
Yum.
Yum! Careful, Stumble. You do not want to set off any alarms.
Yum. Yum.
Nice work, Bumble Nums.
Yum, yum.
Yum. Hum. Hum, hum. Yum, yum. Yum, yum.
Yum. Yum. Yum.
Yum! The hidden hazelnuts.
Yum, yum. Yum.
Oh no! Uh-oh, Bumble Nums. Quick, you better get out of here.
Yum.
Yum, yum.
Yum.
Yum! Mission complete, Bumble Nums. Now it's time to make your getaway back to the kitchen.
Yum,
Yum, yum, yum, yum, yum,
yum. Is the coast clear, Bumble Nums?
Yum.
And do you have the 100 hidden hazelnuts?
Yum!
Nutty! Now that we have the secret ingredient to make our hidden hazelnut spread, it's time for the cooking countdown! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Bumble Nums, you've done it again! What do you think of your hidden hazelnut spread?
Yum, yum.
Yum, 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 yum.
Yum, 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 yum.
Yum, yum.
Hum! Hum, hum, hum! The jig is up, Bumble Nums. Better skedaddle.
Yum!
Hum, hum! Hungry for more? Get the Super Simple app. It's got all your favorite super simple songs and shows. It's even got exclusive games, coloring pages, and storybooks, all in one safe ad-free place. The Bumble Nums can't wait to see you there. Link is in the description.